Y'all, guess what? Y'all, guess what? I finally got my new phone. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be unboxing the new iPhone. Oh, my bad, receipt. Not showing y'all my address. So the phone just got shipped. Okay, so if you're new here, sorry, let's back up. If you're new here, this channel is about beauty and lifestyle content. My name is Brandy, but I go by B. Welcome. Okay, so y'all, this is my first time actually like ordering my own phone. Like, I mean, it sounds weird at this big old age, but I'm not gonna get into the details of that. But this was my first time purchasing my own phone. I ordered it last Friday, which was the 15th, pre-sale. I currently have the iPhone 11 Pro Max right here. Don't judge me. This is my pandemic phone. I have had this phone since 2020, and I was like, you know what? Let's go ahead and wrap this up. Let's wrap this up and let's get a new phone. Y'all like my hair? Okay, let's get into the video. Okay, so let's go ahead and get the phone open. Now, I did not trade in my phone. I kept my phone. I have T-Mobile, so I ordered through the T-Mobile app. So I kind of want to start fresh, but I want to keep like all my current contacts, pictures and all that in my old phone, memories, you know what I'm saying? So I paid off this phone. I'm keeping this phone, and now I'm gonna order. I ordered this phone, so I technically now have two phones. You know? I got two phones. Let me stop. All right, let's open it. Let's stop playing. Oh my goodness. Guess what color I got? Yellow, babe. It's yellow. Y'all thought this phone was gonna be pink, didn't you? Didn't you? Nope. It's yellow. Look at it. This is how it comes in the packaging. So pre-sale date was September 15th. They came out with the iPhone 15, the regular one, the Pro Max, and the Plus. So this is just the regular iPhone 15. Okay, I usually get the big phone, but I just got the regular one because why not? So this is how it comes in the box. And then I guess they changed the charger. The chargers, I don't remember like what it is. Hold on, but it's a USB-C. So I guess it's supposed to also support Android products. I'm not really sure, but I ordered that too. This is how it comes. And I guess this one comes with the little cord, just not the box. So let's open the box. Let's finally get the box open. So let me get up a little bit. Y'all, don't mind how I look and what I got on. I'm in the house. I got on my little chill pajamas. Oh, look. Okay, so I ordered yellow, but as you can see, it's more like a very like pale yellow. So, okay. This is what comes inside the box. So it comes with a little like pamphlet, and here's the phone. Ooh, I'm different. Yeah, I'm different. Let me stop. Okay, it got the little square shape. I feel so out of touch, y'all, because I have the iPhone 11, so I'm used to the round shape. But here's the phone. It's so little compared to my phone. Here's the cord. So if y'all order the 15, it does not come with the box. It only comes with the cord. So don't be a clown. Go get a box. I'm just playing. You won't be a clown. But I didn't know that either. Like, didn't the phones used to come with the box? I guess because they changed it, it don't. But it don't come with the box, so get a box. Okay. So here's the phone. Unbox the iPhone 15. I feel like from far away it looks so small, but look at that. It's so pretty. Okay, y'all want to see a comparison? So here is, let me take off my case, don't judge me. My phone, I feel like it's still in decent condition. So here is my 11 Pro Max. If anybody has this phone or the Pro Max from the previous iPhones, you can see the size difference. Here is 11 Pro Max compared to the new iPhone 15. I really like, okay, definitely smaller. Let me stop. It's so cute. Okay, so I'm lame, I'm old school. I feel like because I don't want to transfer, like I want to start fresh with this phone. I don't want to transfer anything from this phone to this phone. I always go to T-Mobile or I go in the store to activate my phone. So I feel like if I do it at home, I'm gonna mess it up and I'm gonna transfer everything on accident to this phone, and that's just not gonna be fun. So I'm gonna turn the phone on and I'm gonna attempt to show y'all what it looks like. Or should I go get the phone turned on and then have them give me a little tutorial and then come back and show y'all what the phone look like? Yeah, I think I'm gonna do that. So hold on, let me go get the phone activated and I'll be back. Okay y'all, I'm back. I just came from T-Mobile and I got the phone activated. So that took all of 10 minutes, maybe less. Like I said, I usually go into the store to make sure I do it right. I don't know, but this time I felt like I couldn't do it at home because I still have my old phone and I wanted like a clean like slate with my phone. So I didn't want all of my pictures and all of the stuff to transfer to this phone and take up all the storage, because I ran into that issue last time and it's kind of like defeating the purpose, and then you got to delete everything and it's just taking up storage on your new phone. And I'm keeping this phone anyway, so I'm like, I could just put my contacts in, but I had to make a whole new iCloud and very extra, but it's okay. So that took all of 10 minutes. So here is the new phone again, y'all. And I will say, like, compared to like my 11, this phone is so much lighter. Like, it's all sleek and this is how it looks. And I need to finish setting it up. Like, it's nothing really that I can show y'all. I don't have not one picture or anything. Like, I literally just got back home and got it activated. So I don't know, I'm just really doing a comparison because I'm not used to having like this small phone. But what y'all think? Y'all really think it's that big of a difference? I mean, it is to me. I have 2 cameras on the 15. It's lighter. It's cute. So 5G. I need to finish setting it up. They just activated, they switched over my service to this phone. So I am still gonna use this phone, but I don't have service on it yet. So finish setting up. I just have to finish setting it up here. I have to set up my Apple ID, or I already set up my new Apple ID, but I have to like do Siri and Face ID and put all my apps and stuff back on here and all that, which I'm gonna do at a later time. So if y'all want an updated video on, you know, what's cracking on my new phone and all of that, but so far so good. I know they like mention something about this side button right here. Here, let me turn it around. Okay, so I don't really know what all you can do with this phone yet, but ooh, excuse me. So I guess this side button, you can customize it to be whatever you want it to be. Like, let me see if I hold it. Oh, ooh, I'm a clown. I didn't lock the phone. Hold on. So, I don't know if oh no, I don't have to hold it. Oops, I have to switch it. So switch it down. Okay. Wait, is that silent? I'm tripping. Hold on. Okay, that's me putting the phone on silent. Okay, it's not on silent no more. Let's see. Still volume. Okay, for right now, it's still locking it. Okay, it's a way y'all could go in here into your settings and you could turn one of these buttons into something else. I don't know. I gotta play around with it. And I'm also used to only having my phone on dark mode. This light mode is gonna hurt my eye sockets at night, so I have to switch that. But this phone is so cute. I love this pale yellow. Yeah, once I put all my apps and stuff on here, I might come back with a little update. But this is how the fresh new phone looks. It's very light. It needs to be changed to my liking, because right now it just looks like it's straight up out of the box. Okay, y'all, I just came straight home. Why I forgot that I didn't eat today, and it is 4:40 in the afternoon. Like, I have to order something to eat because the new Love is Blind is coming on tonight. So yes, that means today is Friday, September 22nd. Let's backtrack. So I ordered this phone. Last Friday. It took a week to get here, pre-sale, and I'm happy. I like the phone. It's so cute. You could fit it in your hand. I could probably not fit it in my pocket, but so I was gonna get me something to eat, but I came straight home because y'all wanna know what you should do as soon as you get your phone? Put a case on it and a privacy screen, or whatever screen protector you use. I was scared that if I started like running errands with my new phone, I would drop it and crack it, and then I would just be clown of the year to break my new phone the same day I get it. I'm not trying to do that. So what we're gonna do is put a case and screen protector that I ordered from Amazon. Okay, I never do this right, the screen protector. I feel like I always have those little air pockets in it. So yeah, let's see what it looks like. This is privacy glass screen protector from Amazon. And I think I got just like a little clear case. I ordered this case like the same day I ordered the phone because I was a little thirsty. Because I want y'all to be able to see the yellow. I feel like in person, the sides of the phone look more gold, and it's just giving like a pale yellow appearance. But whatever. Okay, it say easy open, but nails. Don't lie. I'm just joking. I'm trying not to injure myself. Okay. Okay, so it comes with 3 in here. And a little, oh, okay, look, it comes with this camera lens protector too. Okay, so I'm gonna put it on. Of course, it comes with the alcohol cleaner. Okay, I'm gonna put it on and then I'm gonna come back and show y'all. I mean, it say it comes with a video, but how hard is it to put it on? Let me not even say that because I'm probably about to mess it up now. I spoke too soon. Look at this. Hold on. Can you even tell? Hold on. Like it's some, can't really tell. It's some like little, there we go. It's some little air bubbles at the top. Like I really sat here and did surgery to get that screen protector on. Talking about how hard could it be? This is, if I was thinking, I would have had them do this at T-Mobile, but whatever. Okay, so the privacy glass screen protector is on, and then I put my camera protector on as well. Can y'all even tell the difference? Low key, I cannot. I feel like maybe the big black circles make the phone look a little different. I don't really remember, but yeah, if you want to protect your camera lens, you can buy this cover. This is what it looks like. I've never done this before. Like I didn't even know they had this, or maybe I don't know, but I like that. It's on. And oh my God, y'all. I'm sitting on my floor right now recording this video, sorry. So if y'all want, I could put the link for this in the description box. And now let me show y'all my phone case. It's just clear because I want the yellow to be seen, but it's not even really that yellow. See, it's just a clear. Why does it look like it's not gonna fit? Hold on, did they send me off? Hold please. No. Bruh. Look at this. Can you see? This is not the right case.
Boy, if you don't get...
What the... That just irritated me. Like you can see it fits on the sides, but I think this is for the Pro or whatever has the bigger camera. So this is Amazon. What is you doing? I promise y'all it said iPhone 15. So I have to order a new case. So yeah, I'm going to, now I gotta be risque with this phone until I get a new case. Jesus. Okay, don't worry. So basically the plan is to get a clear case still, because like I said, I want the yellow to be seen. So I'm just gonna get another clear case and I'm gonna hold on to this phone for dear life. I probably just do an overnight case through Amazon Prime and I'll be in the house. But don't be like me. Put a case on your phone as soon as you get it. Again, here is the new iPhone 15. Yeah, I'm gonna finish setting up my phone. Thank y'all so much for tuning in to this video. Please give me a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And wait, let me try that again. Hold on. Because if you're watching this video up until this point, you should have already subscribed. So if you haven't subscribed, you could go ahead and do that now. And I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. Happy Friday. Enjoy your weekend. Bye.